Wash and goes sound like they would be a fast, natural hair styling technique, but there's actually nothing quick about it. It involves numerous steps, from cleansing to drying, and can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours. The products you use for a wash and go heavily depend on your texture, but also on your desired look. After cleansing, it's all about adding hydration back into the strands. Stylists recommend detangling hair using deep conditioner for slip, and to leave it on for at least 30 minutes as a mask. After rinsing, styling begins on wet hair. Applying leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and gel in small sections is super important in order to get hydrated and defined results. From here, you can either diffuse your hair on low heat or let it air dry. Once the hair is dry, adding oils or balms to the ends of your hair will get that extra moisture and definition.